Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to deal with all the 1 mark and 2 marks of accountancy. So the minimum number of person is required to form a partnership is 2 persons. Accumulated profits are transferred to all partners' capital account including new partner. Is it true or false? It's false. Amount due to deceased partner is settled in following manner: immediate full payment, transferred to loan account, partly paid in cash and balance, all the above. Answer is all the above. Write any one of the objective of financial statement. So it is to provide information about economic resources. So one of the objective of financial statement is to provide information about economic resources and obligation of a business or any other one. After that, comparative statement analysis is also known as dynamic, horizontal, external, or vertical. The answer is horizontal analysis. Expand EPS. EPS is earning per share. State any one content of partnership deed: the capital contribution by each partner and the profit sharing ratio. So the capital contributed by each partner and what will be the profit sharing ratio, name and address of the partner, nature of the business. So these all are the content of partnership deed. At the time of admission of new partner, general reserve appearing in old balance sheet is transferred to all partner capital account, new partner capital account, old partner capital account, or none of the above. So the answer is none of the above. So at the time of admission of the new partner, general reserve appearing in old balance sheet is transferred to none of the above. Why gain ratio is required on retirement of a partner? So the gain ratio is required for the purpose of writing off the goodwill created to the extent of retiring partner's share against the capital accounts of the remaining partner. So why the gain ratio is required is it is for the purpose of writing off the goodwill created to the extent of retiring partner's share against the capital account of remaining partner. So dash is the minimum number of the member in a public limited company. 7. Expand EBIT, earning before interest and tax. What are the financial statement of a business enterprise includes? So the answer is all the above because it has balance sheet, statement of profit and loss account, cash flow, all the above. So we need to write any two differences between fixed and fluctuating capital system. So what is fixed? In fixed, there will be two accounts for each of the partner, namely capital account and current account. But in fluctuating, there will be only one account for each of the partner, and that is capital account. And only the capital of a partner is entered in capital account, and the capital remains fixed year after year. All the items are entered in the capital account, and this capital keeps fluctuating year after year. So this is the differences. What is revaluation account? Revaluation account is an account opened for the purpose of ascertaining the profit or loss. To realize the profit or loss is revaluation account. On account of revaluation of asset and liabilities of firm. Give the meaning of realization account. Realization account is a revenue account open at the time of dissolution of firm. It is again this account the assets are realized and the liabilities are paid off, and the profit or loss that is ascertained will be transferred to the partner's profit sharing ratio. So revaluation account is open at the time of dissolution of partnership, and they realize all the assets and liabilities so that they can pay off the rest of the liabilities, and rest of the profit or loss is being transferred to the partners profit sharing ratio. State any two type of issue of share: at par, premium, even you can write discount. List any two objective of financial statement. One is to provide information about economic resources and obligation of business, and another one is to provide information. Second is to provide information about earning capacity of the business. So name any two contents of partnership deed, name and address of the firm, name and address of all the partners or any other partner. Now state any two important valuation of goodwill, average profit method and super profit method. Journal entry for the liability taken over by a partner on dissolution of firm. So realization account data to partner's capital account being liability taken. What is oversubscription or undersubscription? So the process whereby application for the shares of a company is received in higher than the shares called, that is called as oversubscription. And the process of subscription where the application for the shares of a company, so the shares of a company is lower than the shares being called for subscription, that is under subscription. So write any two limitation of financial statement. One is that it does not reflect current situation. Financial statements are prepared on the basis of the historical cost. It means since the purchasing power is changing, the value of asset and liability shown in the financial statement, it does not reflect the current market value and situation. After that, buyers. Financial statement are the outcome of recorded facts, accounting concept and conversation used and personal judgment made in different situation by accountant. So state any two list of financial statement analysis. It helps the manager to take better decision and helps the management in measuring the success of the company's operation. So that is the two uses of financial statement analysis. I hope this video helps. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe and do support to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.